Are your car's headlights looking cloudy or foggy? Not only does this affect your car's appearance, but it can also reduce visibility and compromise safety during night driving. But don't worry, fixing this issue is simpler than you might think. In this video, we'll guide you through practical steps to restore your headlights' clarity and keep them shining bright for the long haul. First, let's understand why headlights become foggy. Over time, exposure to sunlight, dirt, and grime causes the protective coating on your headlights to deteriorate, leading to that cloudy appearance. Now here's how you can fix it. Start by thoroughly cleaning your headlights with a mild detergent and water to remove surface dirt. Once clean, you'll need a fine grit sandpaper or a headlight restoration kit to gently remove the oxidized layer. Work in small, circular motions to ensure an even finish. After sanding, apply a polishing compound to buff out scratches and restore the clear surface. Finally, finish with a UV-resistant sealant to protect your headlights from future damage. For maintaining their clarity, here are some tips. Regularly wash your headlights during car washes to prevent dirt buildup. Apply a fresh coat of UV sealant every 6 months to keep oxidation at bay. And for an extra layer of protection, consider using headlight covers, especially if your car is often parked outdoors. With these steps, you can ensure your headlights remain clear, improving both the look of your car and your safety on the road. Try it out today and see the difference for yourself. And remember, caring for your car's headlights is a simple yet effective way to enhance its durability and performance. Thanks for watching, and happy DIY car maintenance.